Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to hide your Tinder profile. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, simply if you're into Tinder and you don't want to show your profile, you can obviously be seen to your previous matches, but to the new person, if you don't want to show and hide them, all you gotta do is you can open it and you can see that this is my homepage for Tinder. All you have to do is you need to tap on your profile icon, which is present on the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it. This is my particular profile right over here, and just next to add media you can see setting option. Tap on it. Tapping on setting option is going to give you lots of features just like this. So if you want to hide your profile, all you have to do is just scroll down. So just below this age range option, you can see show me on Tinder. So basically this feature allows your profile to be seen or to be hidden. If you want to simply hide your profile, all you have to do is tap on this red bottom, alright, on this right part just next to show me on Tinder. So you can see this red button has been turned to gray. This means that while turned off, you will not be shown in the card stack. People who have already liked your profile are only going to see you, or who have already been matched with you are only going to see you, but the new profiles are not going to see you. So simply it means that your Tinder profile has been hidden. So this is how you do it. This is how you hide your Tinder profile. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm going to see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.